I've been building this dresser in a wood class I've been taking, and it's time for me to put the drawer handles on, or the drawer knobs on the faces, and I want to come up with a jig that will allow me to put them all in the right spot, exact same spot. But also I want a jig that I can use in the future, something that's universal to either knobs, handles, the middle, whatever. And I have an idea, and so let's put it together and see if it works. So I got the dados cut for the top stops, and it just so happened to have this piece cut off that I'm going to put in here, so that'd be a marker for the center line. But before I do that, I think I'm going to stain it black. That way there it sticks out. It'd be kind of cool. So now I got this piece darkened up with some oil. It's going to make a good indicator for the center. So when you mark your drawer, you can line this up with the mark on your drawer to line up all your handles and stuff. So I think that's going to work out good. So I finished this simple jig for drawer knobs and drawer pulls. And so what I did is this block on top, it was just set right on top of there. And I have a dowel here for a stop. And the reason why I used a dowel is because I didn't want to put a block there, because then I would have to make sure that this block was aligned and squared to everything. With a dowel, it doesn't really matter. It's round, so it's going to just find a place just to stop it. So you mark where you want to do it. You pre-drill into this plate, and there you have your location for your knob. And with this jig here, you're able to reverse it and put it on the other side, which should make it identical to both of them. And the other little thing that I had done here was this dowel is removable, and I have a mark here so that you could center it on your drawer for drawer pulls. And you can pre-drill these drawer pulls, and then you could test your drawer pull out on this and just put it on and see if they actually work before you go ahead and drill the face of your drawer. So I think it's a simple little jig. I think it's going to work pretty good, easy to make. So I have these 6 drawers to do. So let's put it to use and see how it does.
Mm.